Explain what it is first.
Okay, so this is JT. He's my roommate, and he's gonna crush this hot dog.
Foot long.
Foot long hot dog in what?
Less than a minute.
Less than a minute. Don't have a timer here because I'm too poor, but we'll just use this clock over here. Okay.
Right when it turns to 29, and I have to be done before it turns to 30.
Okay. Well, waiting for to eat the hot dog. Eating.
This doesn't look right, does it?
No, it doesn't. Not at all. Okay, it's 28. Come on. Longest minute ever. Oh my gosh.
My mouth is salivating. I want this. I want this hot dog in my mouth.
You do want this. You want it right now.
I must have started right when it turned 28.
That doesn't turn you on. Oh yeah.
Gary, get ready.
Okay, there you go. Okay. He's got it. He's chowing down. It's a no-brainer. He's doing what a man does. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, come on. Almost there. This is going to be a close one. Can you do it?
Ah!
Oh! Exactly 1 minute. Exactly 1 minute.
Yes! I pointed to the clock before it hit 30.
Sorry for wasting 3 minutes of your life.